Alright, I've got this KitchenAid in here, and this is not really a nice knife, but it's one that we use quite a bit and gets a lot of use, and so I'm going to put a new edge on it. Now this machine allows me to really dial in the exact angle. It's always a trade-off on angle for sharpness versus durability, and this one I'm going to put a 20-degree bevel on it, which will make it a little bit more durable than what's currently on there. So I just dial in my angle here. And it's set at, I'm going to do about just under 20. And every time now I'll have a real consistent angle across here. So I'm going to start off with one of the coarser grits and set that level of angle so that it'll be consistent each time.